Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to send voice messages on Discord using PC. First things first, you want to open your browser and visit vencord.dev. Then click on Download Vencord and select Download Vencord Installer. In here, locate the downloaded file, open it, and run the installer. Then you want to choose Stable for installation and click Install. Then, you want to ensure that Discord is closed on your PC. So restart Discord after Vencord installation. After that, just open Discord and go to User Settings or gear icon. Then scroll down to the Vencord section. Then navigate to Plugins and filter to Voice. Then enable the Voice Messages option. In Discord, click on the plus button next to your message box. Then you want to select Send Voice Message. After that, click Start Recording to begin recording your voice, then stop recording when done and preview your message. Lastly, just click Send to share your voice message. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.